in Azam City. You're watching One TV News Channel. One TV News Channel. Serving you with information, news, sports, and public affairs. One TV News Channel. One TV News Channel. Serving you with love. Ang telebisyong pangmasa. One TV News Channel. One TV News Channel. One TV special report.
There are 12 members present, including the Honorable Presiding Officer.
Having 12 members present, the Chair declares a quorum. Once again, good afternoon. For the order of business, may I request the Honorable Majority Floor Leader, the Honorable Marcelian Tapayan.
Good afternoon, Honorable Chair. Thank you. Good afternoon, Honorable colleagues. There are no guests or visitors availing on People's Hour, Honorable Chair. So we proceed to item number 5, approval of the agenda for the day. There are about 7 written proposed sessions, Honorable Chair, on my table, and may I enumerate them. Number 1, resolution approving the PhilHealth Employers Engagement Representatives Forum by the Philippine Health Insurance Corporation on August 20, 2024 at the Royal Garden Hotel. Second proposed written session is a resolution approving the failed data collection by the Philippine Statistics Authority for the August 2024 Labor Force Survey in Barangay Dinagusulo during the period August 13 to 30, 2024. The third, Honorable Chair, is a resolution approving the 14th cycle of supplementary feeding program by the Department of Social Welfare and Development commencing on August 14, 2024. The fourth proposed written session is a resolution authorizing the local chief executive, Attorney Henry A. Puena Jr., to enter into and sign a deed of donation in behalf of the local government unit of Science City for the 3 units floating trailer with the Department of Agriculture, Philippine Center of Post-Harvest Development and Mechanization, confirming and ratifying any and all acts in relation thereto. Number 5, a resolution authorizing the local state executive to enter into and sign in behalf of Sami City the deed of donation with acceptance of the ICT equipment to the Charlie Cimarron Company of the 10th Infantry Battalion, confirming and notifying any and all acts in relation thereto. Number 6, a resolution amending resolution number 100-2024 entitled Resolution Funding Various Defunded Positions of the City Government of Misamis. The last but not the least, number 7, an ordinance amending ordinance number 1295-2024 entitled Ordinance retitling the position of title of City Government Department Head 1, Chief of Hospital 2 into Chief of Hospital 2 at Isimlao Memorial City General Hospital. Those were the 7 written proposals. I therefore move on joint motion to approve the agenda for the day with 7 proposed sessions, Honorable Chair.
There is a motion from the Honorable Majority Floor Leader for the approval of our agenda for today with 7 inclusions as being presented. Motion approved.
Thank you, Honorable Chair. Item number 6, approval of the minutes of previous sessions. Everybody was furnished copies of the minutes of the regular and special sessions on July 4, July 5, July 9, and 15, 2024. And I guess everybody was able to peruse and examine the contents of Honorable Chair. Accordingly, I move this motion to dispense with the reading of the minutes and to approve the contested minutes in toto, Honorable Chair.
Considering that all members of this august body has been furnished with the minutes of the meeting on July 4, 5, 9, and 15, the majority floor leader is moving for its approval. Motion approved.
Thank you, Honorable Chair. Item number 7, please proceed to letter C. Petitions or requests for first reading. Number 1, Gango Barangay Resolution number 091-2024, a resolution endorsing to the Sangguniang Panlungsod the proposed nomenclature of barangay, streets, roads of Barangay Gango, Misamis City, Misamis Occidental, and for other legal purpose. Honorable Sir, may I just comment on this resolution as chairman of the Committee on Laws? Our resolution is only expression of the sentiment or the feelings of the barangay, just like this Barangay Gango resolution. In naming barangay streets, barangay roads, it needs an ordinance, not a resolution, Honorable Chair. So, we ask the Secretary to advise the Barangay of Gango to reduce their proposal in naming their barangay streets to a barangay ordinance, so that this August body could act accordingly, because the action for appropriate action of August body, Honorable Chair, we cannot approve this enactment because it should be an ordinance, Honorable Chair.
Thank you, Honorable Majority Floor Leader, on your manifestation. So this particular concern is being channeled to the Secretary for some corrections noted by the Chair.
Thank you, Honorable Chair. Letter D, Messages and Communications, resolution of the Sangguniang Panligan in Province of Misamis Occidental. These resolutions are all actions of approval to our various ordinances and resolution passed by the City Council, Honorable Chair, except number 7, which disapproves in part the resolution number 100-2024 of the Sangguniang Province of Misamis City, resolution vice-funded, defunded Misamis City Government of Misamis, but I guess that's already corrected by the August body, Honorable Chair. Resolution number 10, resolution number 557-24, disapproving in part the ordinance number 1295-2024 of the Sangguniang Province of Misamis, on ordinance retitling the position of City Government Department Head 1, the Chief Hostel 2, which we are going to correct with our order of business, Honorable Chair. So, I guess all these approvals and disapprovals in part does not need any appropriate action by the City Council, Honorable Chair. We would like to thank the Sangguniang Panligan of Misamis Occidental for approving our various ordinances and resolutions. And these resolutions of the Sangguniang Panligan of Misamis Occidental, which disapproves in part, are already corrected by the August body. So in the meantime, I recommend that all this approval of the ordinance and resolutions of this August body be duly noted with thanks by this August body, Honorable Chair.
Thank you, Honorable Majority Floor Leader. Manifested with the Honorable Majority Floor Leader, these resolutions of the Sangguniang Panlalawigan Province of Misamis Occidental, noting our past resolution from 1 to 11, with some notations for some amendments as being manifested by the Majority Floor Leader. I think the Secretary would like me and make the necessary amendments to that effect.
Thank you, Honorable Chair. We proceed to item number 12, Trust Fund Trial Balance, which contains various financial statements, schedule of financial disbursements, and schedules of accounts, Honorable Chair, which are all these statements are readily available at the office of the Secretary of the Sanggunian and may be available on demand by any member of this House body. So I move that these financial statements be in the meantime be duly noted in the records of City Council, Honorable Chair.
There is a manifestation from the Honorable Majority Floor Leader that the submitted trust fund balances just be noted.
Thank you, Honorable Chair. There are no to this August body. We proceed to item number 9, calendar of business. Please proceed to letter C on an assigned business whereby we have 7 approved written sessions, Honorable Chair. The first proposed, first approved session is a resolution approving the PhilHealth Employers Engagement Representatives Forum by the Philippine Health Insurance Corporation on August 20, 2024 at Royal Garden Hotel. I now yield to the Chairman of the Committee on Public Health and Sanitation, Honorable Catherine Lim, to introduce and recommend action on this item, Honorable Chair.
The Honorable Catherine Lim is now recognized by the Chair for the appropriate motion.
Thank you, Madam Chair. I would like to pass a resolution approving the PhilHealth Employers Engagement Representatives Peers Forum by the Philippine Health Insurance Corporation, PhilHealth, on 20th of August 2024 at the Royal Garden Hotel for first reading with reservation.
For first reading with reservations, motion approved.
Thank you, Madam Chair. Due to its public demand, I would like to pass this resolution for second and final reading, waiving the internal rules.
Due to the urgency of this request resolution, the Honorable Lim is passing this resolution on the second and final reading, waiving the internal rules. A resolution approving the PhilHealth Employees Engagement Representatives or Peers Forum by the Philippine Health Insurance Corporation, PhilHealth, on August 20, 2024 at the Royal Garden Hotel. Move for its approval on the second and final reading, waiving the internal rules.
Thank you, Honorable Chair. Approved session number 2, resolution approving the field data collection by the Philippine Statistics Authority for the August 2024 labor force survey in Barangay Doña Consuelo during the period 13 to 30 August 2024. And I yield to the Chairman of the Committee on Labor, Honorable Saulo Salvador, to introduce and recommend action on this item, Honorable Chair.
The Honorable Saulo Salvador is now recognized by the Chair for the appropriate motion.
Thank you, Majority Floor Leader. Thank you, Madam Chair. I move to pass a resolution approving the field data collection of the Philippine Statistics Authority, PSA, for the August 2024 Labor Force Survey, LFS, in Barangay Doña Consuelo during the period August 13 to 30, 2024. Madam Chair, I move to pass this resolution on first reading with reservation.
For first reading, reservation, motion approved.
For its urgency of this activity, I move to pass this resolution on the second and final reading, waiving the internal rules. Thank you, Madam Chair.
Honorable Saulo Salvador to pass this request resolution on the second and final reading, waiving the internal rules. Any comment? Remarks? Hearing none. Motion approved on the second and final reading, waiving the internal rules.
Thank you, Honorable Chair. Approved session number 3, a resolution approving the 14th cycle of supplementary feeding program by the Department of Social Welfare and Development commencing on August 14, 2024. And I yield to Chairman of the Committee on Social Services and Community Development Honorable Sunny Waminal Jr. to introduce and recommend action on this item, Honorable Chair.
The Honorable Sancho Waminal Jr. is now recognized by the Chair for the appropriate motion.
Thank you, Madam Chair. Thank you, Honorable Majority Floor Leader. Good afternoon, everyone. On this sample representation, would like to move a resolution approving the 14th cycle of supplemental feeding program by the Department of Social Welfare and Development, DSWD, commencing on 14 August 2024. Be approved on first reading with reservation, Madam Chair, on joint motion.
Move for first reading with reservation. Motion approved.
Thank you, Madam Chair. Considering the urgency and in the spirit of public service, may I therefore move that the same be approved on second and final reading, waiving the internal rules of this sanggunian.
Due to the urgency of this request resolution, the Honorable Waminal is passing this on the second and final reading, waiving the internal rules. Any comment? Remarks? Hearing none. Motion approved on the second and final reading, waiving the internal rules.
Thank you, Honorable Chair. Upon session number 4, a resolution authorizing the local chief executive attorney Henry Waminal Jr. to enter into and sign a deed of donation in behalf of the local government unit of Summit City for the 3 units floating trailer with Department of Agriculture, Philippine Center for Post-Harvest Development and Mechanization, confirming and ratifying any and all acts in relation thereto. I again yield to Honorable Sunny Waminal Jr. to introduce the Chairman of the Committee on Agriculture to introduce and recommend action on this item, Honorable Chair.
The Committee Chair on Agriculture, Honorable Waminal, is now recognized by the Chair for the appropriate motion.
Thank you again, Honorable Chair, Honorable Mars Tapayan. On joint motion, I move to pass a resolution authorizing the local chief executive attorney Henry F. Waminal Jr. to enter into and sign a deed of donation in behalf of the local government unit of Osame City, LGU, for the 3 floating trailer with the Department of Agriculture, Philippine Center for Post-Harvest Development and Mechanization, confirming and ratifying any and all acts in relation thereto. Be approved on first reading, Madam Chair, with reservation on joint motion.
Move for first reading with reservations. Motion approved.
Thank you, Madam Chair. For the sake of public welfare and given its utmost urgency, I so move for the approval on second and final reading, waiving the internal rules of this sanggunian.
Due to the urgency of this request resolution, the Honorable Waminal is passing this on the second and final reading, waiving the internal rules. Is there any comment? Remarks? Hearing none. Motion approved on the second and final reading, waiving the internal rules.
Thank you, Honorable Chair. Upon session number 5, a resolution authorizing the local chief executive to enter into and sign in behalf of Summit City the deed of donation with acceptance of the ICT equipment to the Charlie Cimarron Company of the 10th Infantry Battalion, confirming and ratifying any acts in relation thereto. And I yield to Chairman of the Committee on Communications, Information, Science and Technology, Honorable Dinquisicio, to introduce and recommend action on this item, Honorable Chair.
The Honorable Zuizo is now recognized by the Chair for the appropriate motion.
Thank you very much, Madam Chair. This representation would like to pass a resolution authorizing our local Chief Executive, the Honorable Henry Waminal Jr., to enter into and sign in behalf of Osame City the deed of donation with acceptance of the ICT equipments to the Charlie the Cimarron Company of the 10th Infantry Battalion, steady, confirming and ratifying any and all acts in relation thereto on first reading with reservation.
Move for first reading with reservations. Motion approved.
On this premise, Madam Chair, I'd like to pass the said resolution on second, third, and final reading, waiving the internal rules on joint motion.
Due to the urgency of this request resolution, the Honorable Suizo is passing this on the second and final reading, waiving the internal rules. Any comment? Remarks? Hearing none. Motion approved on the second and final reading, waiving the internal rules.
Thank you, Honorable Chair. Item number 6, our resolution amending resolution number 100-2024 entitled Resolution Funding Various Defunded Positions of City Government of Samis. And the last but not the least approved institution is an ordinance amending, retitling the position title of City Government Department Head 1 into Chief Officer at SM Lao Memorial City General Hospital. These two items, I yield to the Chairman of the Committee on Civil Service, Honorable Loli Pindicipris, to introduce and recommend action on these two items, Honorable Chair.
Your Honorable Cipres, Honorable Cipres is now recognized by the Chair.
Thank you to our Majority Floor Leader and to our Presiding Officer. I would like to pass a resolution amending resolution number 100-2024 entitled A Resolution Funding Various Defunded Positions of the City Government of Osamis. And the second resolution is an ordinance amending ordinance number 1295-2024 entitled An Ordinance Retitling the Position Titled of the City Government Department Head 1 into Chief of Hospital 2 at SM Lao Memorial City General Hospital. For first reading, Madam Chair, on joint motion.
Move for first reading with reservation. Motion approved.
Thank you, Madam Chair. Due to the need of this two a resolution and ordinance, I would like to move this on second and final reading, waiving the internal rules.
Move by the Honorable Cipres to pass this on the second and final reading as being presented. The ordinance and this resolution to be passed this on the second and final reading, waiving the internal rules as being manifested. Any comment? Remarks? Hearing none. Motion approved on the second and final reading, waiving the internal rules.
Thank you, Honorable Chair. There are no pending matters on my table under item number 10, basis for third reading. Hence, at this juncture, may we have the pleasure and privilege to hear on official matters from Honorable Dinquisition, Honorable Chair.
The Honorable Zuizo is now recognized by the Chair for some PCL matters.
Thank you very much, Madam Chair and Majority Floor Leader. I'd like to give an update, Madam Chair, on the upcoming PCL Congress. The Governor Henry Wominol requested the PCL Federation to have our PCL Congress be postponed from August 22 to September 12 because the Governor will be attending a summit at PICC Pasay in Manila on that date. So he requested that a postponement of the PCL Congress or the PCL Congress be moved this coming September 12 and 13. Same venue, Aya Hotel, Madam Chair. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Honorable Suizo, for your manifestation that the PCL Congress will be moved on September 12 instead of August. Okay, thank you. Noted by the Chair.
Thank you, Honorable Chair. Our Honorable John P. Lingson is on official business in the capital, Samis Oriental, having a meeting. So at this juncture, may we have a pleasure and privilege to hear on ABC matters from Honorable John Carlo Moralion, Honorable Chair.
John Carlo Moralion is now recognized by the Chair.
Thank you, Majority Floor. Thank you, Madam Chair. This day, atong i-release ang 50,000 nga barangay aid sa Barangay Maningkol para sa lahang mga fiesta and araw activities. And Madam Chair, sa barangay dispute nga 14 ka barangay nga na dispute. 13 sa ana is nakapasa na sa ilang joint resolution nga wala na sila dispute. So, ang ika-14 is ang barangay Embargo and Mulikay nga wala sila dispute but natingala sila nganong na-appeal sila dito. So, gipahimo lang gyapon nato joint resolution nga wala sila problema sa ilang barangay. So,
How many barangays that we have barangay disputes?
14.
14?
14 kaparisan.
14 barangays?
So, 28. 28?
28. 14 times.
14.
14
barangay.
Okay. So what was the development now?
Pero okay na tanan,
Wala na.
Madam Chair.
Okay.
Thank you, Madam Chair.
Settled na mga disputes?
Settle na.
Okay. Thank
May I
you.
manifest, Honorable Chair?
Yes, Honorable.
I propose the resolutions of the barangays concerned. The resolutions is on the tenor nga they are going to settle and negotiate their barangay dispute. So wala pa ma-settle ang dispute. Unless the barangay will come up with ordinance nga i-define la asa gid lang territory nga wala sa dispute. We have to settle this barangay dispute of the barangays kay dugay na pinakatuig nga ang mga barangay karon ako nakita we require them to submit documents, sketch plan, asa pit ilang area nga disputed. Tapulan sila, di na, ilang settle na lang para wala na sa documents i-submit. Oh, murag, ano ba? Tinapulan ba? Kay, para wala sa submit documents, settle lang ta doon, settle lang ta. It's good as far as the survey is concerned. Kay, wala na makuha ng tao sa barangay, makilitanan, pero ang dispute mo pabilin. Kay, settle na ilang dispute, dapat submit on ordinance. Nga muna ilang ba, pa, puhon na ba? Forever na ba? Kay pag next na po nga administration, magwa na po dispute na po. Sabok na po.
Record.
Oh. As of now, okay lang kay kauban ng tasaran. Pero kung i-record nila nga settled na, ilang klaro nga palitan sa labo og embargo, example. Nag-claim magid ang labo nga ilahan ng kanang subdivision sa Lumina ba na? Claim po ang embargo kay sayang ang property tax, real property tax.
Embargo.
So, karon sito sila para ang mga tao masurvey sa PSA nga credited yun sa barangay. Wala yung masayang. Kaya kung dili sila magsito sa dispute, dili mag-credit sa ka barangay. So, kansiyan ka barangay. So, sito sila. Pero alang dispute, pabilin. Oh. The resolution should say na wala na gimi dispute sa barangay. Wala na isurvey kay why dispute. Kay mingon sila we are negotiating and trying to settle, trying pa, wala pa settlement. Oh. The resolution should be on the tenor nga nasito na mo, wala na may dispute. Pero maklaro, kung napang gani, i-negotiate mo gani, unsa yung nag-negotiate. Kung nasito, unsa yung nasitol, kung naman gani sitol. Kung sito na sila, mo yung namin sila nga, resolution nga, wala na gimi dispute, wala na reklamo sa resolution. Kung ingon sa, we are negotiating, we'll settle, is still speculative. Future, we'll settle, we'll negotiate. So, pag human sa itong term, naagay mo dispute, kaya waman sila ordinance nga nasito sila ang problema. Kaya to change the resolution nga, nasito na mo problema, wala na may dispute. Dili ingon nga, amo bang i-negotiate, amo bang i-settle, ano ba siya? That's only a comment para, yan ang problema, kaya murag ako nakita sa kabarangay, nalikay lang ba sa trabaho? Na ila pang isurvey, aha na dispute. Kung ingon sila, wala na dispute, wala na sila trabaho.
Okay.
Thank you, Honorable Chair.
Okay. The Honorable Suiso, you have your